The message is really simple. It's really straightforward. And if I was sending it on LinkedIn, I would actually do a little bit, I would offer to do a little bit more of the work, and it would sound like this. Hey, Santosh, you and I are connected on LinkedIn. I've got an idea that I'd love to get your opinion on. What's the best number for me to call or text you? By the way, my mobile is 720-660-3202, right? I'm going to give you both options because you'll find they might just put their number in there, right? And then you can call them when you have the number. Hey, Santosh, Matt from LinkedIn, as promised, I wanted to reach out to you personally because I had an idea I wanted to get your opinion on. And then similar to that example that we just went through, it's an idea that has value. The idea is not, hey, if you work with us, life will be great. The idea is, this is what we're seeing in the industry. This is what people that I work with that are in your position are seeing. And not, is that something that you're seeing? It's a guaranteed way to hear a no. How are you dealing with that? And then hopefully give them some value of whether they, that works for them, whether they go with you or not. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're gonna catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're gonna see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.